Hi, I'm Alec Ross, Distinguished Visiting Professor at Bologna Business School of l'Università di Bologna and author of the book Il Nostro Futuro. I look forward to seeing you on June 10th at Future Factory. I'm going to talk about the factors that are shaping the next 10 years. The 2020s have gotten off to a furious, angry start. And in order for them to conclude better than they began, there's some changes that we need to make in society, in our businesses, and ourselves. I'm optimistic about our ability to do this. Solo gli ottimisti cambiano il mondo. Only optimists change the world. And I look forward to talking to you a little bit about the changes to come and how to position ourselves at Future Factory on June 10th.